Okay, so here we are back at the Add New Product screen. And I've already added in the information here for the blue dog blue collar and the blue dog red collar. We entered them in the exact same way we entered them in before, down here, formatted it the exact same way as before, put in a featured image. The only thing different is that we're going to give this a category of blue dog seasonal is what we're going to do, not blue dog seasonal. So I'm going to come over here to our other product, blue dog red collar. Once again, got our product description down here that's going to appear next to the featured image that's right here that we've uploaded, 400 by 400 pixel image. Remember, it needs to be square. And I'm going to tag that blue dog seasonal and then publish it. So then we're going to have our blue dog green color, our blue dog blue color, and our blue dog red color, which are our special request only products. Now we need to get them out on the menu out front as special request. So we're going to come over here, and I don't need these product screens anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and come over to Appearance and come down to Menus and bring up the menu screen. And now what we're going to do is we're going to need to add in a divider that says special request only. If you'll look down here, you'll see we have in between Widmer Brothers, our first three brews, we have this custom, not a product and it's not a page, it's this custom right here. If you open it up, you see we've got the navigation label says special requests only. It has no URL, it has no title attribute, but then it's got something called the CSS class that says seasonals. So we're going to recreate this right down here. We're going to create it down here. We kind of have to do a little trick to actually get it into the system. We don't want this to be a link, but we can't actually enter it into the system here to begin with unless it is a link. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a number sign here. This is all we're going to do, sorry. And then we're going to put the label of special request only. Then we're going to click Add to Menu. Come down here to the bottom, and now we've got our special request only that says custom. We're going to open that up. We're going to get rid of that, and we're going to add in seasonals. Was it seasonals or seasonal? I forget. Let's take a look real quick. It is seasonals, which is what I thought. So we're going to add in seasonals right next to the CSS class. So now I'm going to pull this up. And, sorry. Once again, I apologize for my mouse. Pull that up, and I'm going to put that right under blue dog green color. Then I'm going to come in and add our latest two products, our blue dog red color and our blue dog blue color. Click Add to Menu. Add those down here. Then we're going to put them in order of our blue color and our red color. Okay, so now we've got our blue dog page and we've got our links that are linking to our main product. Then we've got our special request only divider. And then we've got our blue dog blue color and our blue dog red color. Remember, with that divider, we're going to get rid of the $sign that we originally had in there, because we just have to do that just so the system will let us put it in there. Then we're going to put in for the navigation label special request only, and we're going to give it a CSS class of seasonals. So let's save that menu. Okay, so here we are. The menu is saved. We've refreshed the page, and now when we hover over Blue Dog, now we got our menu that pops out. And remember, we're currently on the Blue Dog green collar. That's why this is, instead of being gold, this happens to be green. This happens to be white right now. Okay, and then we've got special request only. It's not a link. And then below that, we've got our blue dollar and red color. But now let's come back over here to Kony, and you're going to notice we also have this one up top that says year round. So let's go back and take a look at that. Say, okay, we've got another custom one that says year round. The exact same as before. Got a CSS class of seasonals. Don't need to change that. And it's just got a navigation label of year round. So let's copy that navigation label. And remember, we're going to come up here and we're going to give this a $sign. We're going to give that a number sign. And then we're going to click Add to Menu. We added two. Don't need two. Let's remove one. Pull this up and put it right above blue dog green collar. And then remember, we're going to get rid of that number sign and add in a CSS class of seasonals. And now we're going to save the menu. And here we are back at the home page, or here we are back at the Blue Dog Green Collar page. Sorry. We've got it refreshed, and when we hover over now, we've got our year-round, which is not a link, and it's got the white divider underneath it. We've got our Blue Dog Green Collar, which is currently white because we're on the page. And then we've got our Blue Dog Blue Collar and our Blue Dog Red Collar right underneath there. So that is how you add a product line into the system and get it to show up correctly formatted out on the front menus.